The use of Patient Specific Instrumentation, or PSI, is a technique that helps make shoulder replacement surgery more specific and much more accurate. It's used for patients with shoulder degeneration, including those with bone deformities or even normal bone structures, to increase precision and ensure a successful joint replacement outcome. Currently, shoulder replacement surgery relies on various measurement tools, identifying bone landmarks, and the surgeon's expertise to achieve precision and ensure that the cutting angles are measured and executed correctly. However, achieving that level of precision consistently can be quite challenging. The introduction of PSI solves this problem, allowing us to measure, plan, and design the implant specifically for each individual patient, which leads to the best possible treatment outcomes. This PSI process involves planning based on the patient's own data, using a CT scan to create a detailed three-dimensional image of the bone. Once a three-dimensional image is created, we use 3D printing to produce a customized surgical guide. This ensures the surgery is performed with extreme precision and is perfectly suited to the patient. For every patient undergoing shoulder replacement surgery, if we can plan ahead and utilize PSI, it's highly beneficial and appropriate. However, the most ideal candidates are those with severe shoulder degeneration and significant damage to the bone or joint, where the bone may have collapsed considerably. In such cases, it's difficult to rely on the naked eye or standard tools for planning. PSI plays a crucial role in ensuring surgical precision and following the preoperative plan exactly. Precise surgery has a positive impact on patients in both the short and long term. It ensures the optimal placement of the prosthesis or the surgical components. This maximizes the range of motion as intended and significantly reduces the rate of wear and tear on the prosthetic joint over time. Therefore, in the long run, the results are much better when the prosthesis and the joint components are positioned with such high precision.